In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can earn an average of $175.52 every single day with Clickbank affiliate commissions. Now, how exactly did I get to 175.52? So basically, I got this by setting the goal for yourself of 2 affiliate sales per day. But with this video, I'm going to show you a very new and weird kind of product or niche that I've been using to get a lot of free sales on Clickbank. It's super easy to do. It's free to do. You don't need to spend any money on ad campaigns or paid traffic. You don't need any following on social media. You don't need your own website. So we're not going to use funnel builders such as Kartra or Builderall to collect emails or anything like that. And you can be a complete beginner to do this. But if you do want to get results and make some awesome money online from this, I really do suggest try watch this course or free training until the end of this video so that you don't skip through and miss any important steps, because that 1% that usually does watch these videos and take action from this are the ones that are getting results from this. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into my PC so you can see how to make $175.52 super fast. Hi there, my name is Jay from the channel Millionaire Mindset. I run 4 different 4 to 5 figure drop servicing stores every single month. My top drop servicing store made over $228,000 in 2020 alone. If you want to get a 25-minute free training on my 6-figure drop servicing expert bootcamp, where you get over $19,000 worth of bonuses, done for you drop servicing campaigns, my done for you drop servicing Google Ads formula, and multiple other winning free traffic formulas as well, go over to the first link down below in the description and you will see a 25-minute free training of exactly what drop servicing is, how you can get started, and what is in my bootcamp, and even results on the back end of my different stores. But also over here on my YouTube channel, I'm uploading daily videos, daily free courses, and free trainings on how to make money online, exactly what I'm doing online, so that you can get exclusive insight into what I'm doing so that you can get some results online. So if you want to become an online entrepreneur, make money online, work from home, reach those goals, definitely go down below and subscribe down below to this channel so we can go along this journey together and make some money online. But without further ado, we're going to get straight into this strategy. And the first thing that we need to go and do is we need to head over to Google, and there's a specific term that we need to go and search. So what we need to go and search is the following: dog training steps. Click on enter and you'll see over here is an article that says 5 essential dog commands. And this website over here gives you 5 simple steps and essential dog commands that you can use to go and train your dog. And over here you've got the first one, which is sit. So it gives you the 3 steps here on how to train your dog how to sit. The second one is come, which teaches your dog to come to you. And these 3 steps over here explain how to do that. You've got them how to lie down, how to stay, and how to leave it. So these are basically 5 valuable tips that we can go and actually use to recommend to people out there that want to train their dogs and actually make some money online from this and monetizing this. The best part is we're not going to copy and paste, write articles everywhere. We're not going to go use those URL shorteners where we copy and paste this link and hope people click on our link and then we make like a little bit of money per click. This is going to be a really unique and legitimate way of doing affiliate marketing and making money with affiliate marketing. But before I go and show you how we're going to use this and make money online, we need to come over to this website over here called clickbank.com. What you want to do is, if you haven't signed up yet, click on the sign up button over here. You'll see on this page, all you need to do is enter your country, first name, last name, your digital phone number, your email address, your password, click on the terms and conditions and join Clickbank. You'll verify your email from there and you will get access to a huge marketplace and network where thousands of experts around the world have their courses, their digital products, their software programs in so many different niches. You can become an affiliate for that product, aka an ambassador, and make commissions every sale that you make. Honestly, Clickbank is one of the biggest gold mines and gems to make money online. So definitely suggest go and get an account on this website. Once you've signed in, your account is going to look like this. So over here, you can see I'm currently on the marketplace. If I click on marketplace on the top right over here, this is where we are going to go and find all our different products. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down over here and you want to click on home and garden, and over here is where the magic happens. So you'll see if you filter by gravity, which is the top trending products right now, because these are products that are selling a lot, that's high quality, people are buying it, they have the most positive reviews because they're working. So over here you'll see the exact product that we are going to use to actually make money with this. You'll see, if you keep watching with me, how we're going to integrate this affiliate product with our 5-step dog training article. So over here they have a best training for dogs unique training course. And this is what the website over here looks like. So you'll see that kind of have like a survey where they ask you a question. I want my dog to listen and come every time I call. I want my dog to stop barking at people. So if people come to this website and want to, let's say, stop their dog from barking at people, all they do is they click on this option over here. It's going to take them to this page over here. What age is your dog? Let's say over 8 months. And then it's going to take them to this free training over here, which will recommend them a training on how to train their dog to stop barking. So all then they will do is they will click on get started today, and over here you can see they can pay a monthly fee to join this top dogs training school. Now every time you refer someone to this, you are actually going to get money from this every time you do that, which is a total of $31.65 depending on the package you refer them to. Obviously the bigger package, the more money you're going to earn. But take a look at this. This is where the magic is going to happen, where we're going to literally print commissions doing this with our article that we found, and now we found our affiliate product. So the next step is we want to come over to this website over here. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to reveal this and show you this website just in a bit. All you need to do is just click on sign in on the top right over here. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. So all we need to do is we need to enter a URL on this create snip button over here. So all we need to do is we need to come back to this 5 Essential Dog Commands website, copy this entire link, just go right click copy or control C, come back to this platform over here, paste this link and click on create snip. And over here you can see is the 5 Essential Dog Commands website, but what I want to show you is this little call to action over here. So this little tool, I'm going to reveal it just in a bit, basically overlays this obvious call to action that gets people to click over here. So what we need to do is we need to go and enter a message and type in our button text and enter our button URL. So for the message, I typed the following: Top Dogs Training School free trainings over here. Because you'll see back on this website, I showed you the free training. There is free training videos which then upsells them to the entire online dog training school. And for the button URL, that is where we're going to put our affiliate link, which is the link that links people to this online dog training school, which gets us commissions every time they make a sale. So all we're going to do is we're going to come back to Clickbank over here. We're going to click on promote. We're just going to click on generate hop links. We can copy a link over here. Let's close this tab, come back to this website over here, just copy and paste your entire link. Click on continue. Over here we can leave the color as is. Click on finish CTA, which just means call to action. Over here you will see is your link to this website with your overlay. So if I paste this in a new tab, take a look at this. Over here you can now see this 5 essential dog commands with our call to action over here. And the reason we have chosen this strategy is because now what we're going to go and do is we can go and give this website with our call to action to people for free. And why we're going to do this is because when we give away free stuff, it builds trust, it builds a relationship with leads and with people. And we're not just cold selling to these people, and those people will see that and appreciate that. But briefly on the side, we are promoting our affiliate link with this call to action over here. So this website that I use to build this affiliate link over here is called Sniply, snip.ly. So come over to Sniply, build your page like this and your call to action so that we can have our website just like this. And this is the last and final step that is actually going to print our commissions for us. And the next and final step is we are going to go out there and reach out to specific dog training communities, people that are looking for how to train their dogs, that are willing to spend money. So the good thing about this is we're not just cold promoting to any audience. We are specifically targeting people that are looking for dog trainings. So what you want to do is you want to come over to facebook.com/groups and just search in the search bar dog training and click on all groups. Now what you want to do is you want to come over to, for example, dog training instructors, protection dogs and training, dog training behavior. Open all these groups in new tabs, but I want you to have a look here. Some of these groups have 635k members, 5.6k, 8.1k, 119k. So these groups and communities have over some of them 100,000 members, and these are all potential people that will see our affiliate link, click on that, and be interested in the dog training course. So over here is the first group. All you can go and do is you can go and post a simple post and send to people, hey guys, here's a free article of free websites on the top 5 essential dog commands on how to train your dog. And all you do is you send them this snippy link over here. You post it on these Facebook groups pretty much just like this. You can create a little picture like this, and you can see some people are posting more trainings. You can actually see one person here already is doing this. They're promoting a course. Say yes and I'll send you the course. But we are actually sending value. You see a lot of people have like reacted like a laugh or something like that to this post because they know they're just trying to make money through the course. Where we actually give free value, people are going to appreciate that and actually click on our link. And what you can also do is you can go and actually go through all the comments on this post, and you can see that all the people that are saying yes, you can be there. Hey there, here is a link to a website. You can respond to every single one of these. Hey there, here is a link to a website where you can learn the 5 essentials on how to train your dog, which will take them to this page, and they will see your call to action over here. So all you do is you go and join these groups over here. You just click on join. You can go to this one as well. You can see this is a private group. Just click on join. Same with this one over here. This is also a private group. So once you've joined, you will be able to access all these groups. Go and post in these groups. You'll see there are tons of them. Have a look at how long I can scroll down for. There are so many groups, it's not even funny. Remember, something like this is not oversaturated at all. If you think about it, there's over 7 billion people in this world. There will be people wanting to buy your affiliate product or interested in your affiliate product. And the thing is, because we're offering something for free, most of those people are already going to appreciate that and appreciate you offering that for free, because you're not just trying to make money off of them, and they can see that you're providing value to the group. That's why providing free stuff, whether it's a free article, a free course, free coupons, giving discounts, free shipping, all of that is a great way to build a relationship with your leads, with your clients, and it's a great way to just get more sales and make more revenue, because at the same time, you're giving value and they appreciate that by buying your product in return. But if you guys want to see how I make well over $700 to $1,000 per day selling rare high-income skills such as coding, programming, tech, digital marketing, without actually knowing any of that stuff and without actually doing any of the hard work myself, all I'm doing is I'm the man in the middle drop shipping these rare high-income skills. It's a term called drop servicing. Over here, if you come over to www.dropserviceexpert.com or the first link in the description, this entire bootcamp is actually currently over 91% off throughout the Christmas and the New Year period, just to help out as many people as possible. And over here, you will see a free 25-minute training of exactly what's in this bootcamp, how you can get started with drop servicing, and how you can make money with drop servicing completely for free. So over here, come over to the first link in the description, and I'll see you on this page over here.